Oh, that's nice. You got your book. A rattle. Is that? Oh, that's the lights up.
It's like spins.
We got some eggs. What do we got here? Ah! You like the eggs? Henry.
Hey, Henry.
Hey, Henry.
Henry.
And they're off.
Henry, sit down, buddy. No, that's easy. Nice.
Oh.
Hold on. Don't forget about it in a second. Henry, look, I got George.
You'll never have a lemon again.
You want some
You
lemon?
gonna eat it? You gonna eat it though.
That's the wrong way to eat that.
Do you want to get him some fruit in his little thing? Oh, drop the fruit. Oh, Mom. Do you have the little fruit, the mesh fruit thing?
You need a little tequila with that? A little salt?
You need that?
Do you have one that we can use?
Are you willing to bet it?
You take a picture of him?
I'll bet it.
Video.
Okay.
I don't think he's too much cookie, more frosting than cookie. Hey, Henry.
Henry,
Henry!
look at Daddy. 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 You're the green monitor.
Not I see.
He's working on the pole.
Cyber Howard versus McNally. All the world is 101.
Sure. Alright, it's our first game back after COVID. Let's see how this situation is going to be. I guess we just go back. Oh, we got to know. That wasn't too bad. A lot less people, huh?
Yeah.
Like Alex said, this is going to be a dream game. No one here. Alright, so that was easy enough.
Yeah.
Now we're going back up. We actually got better seats tonight than we usually do, and there's like no one here. It's just kind of creepy, actually. A little creepy. We're here an hour before tip-off, but...
It feels like when we came to do that that Sunday morning,
Oh, yeah.
like shoot off or something.
Yeah, there was no one here.
Yeah.
No congregate. I guess they're not giving out those paper raffle thingies, right? Alright, I'm gonna go.
When was the first game?
First game?
Or, like, the first game?
The first what?
You can do this.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Boston Celtics.
So it's only been a week so far, so we'll find out in 2 weeks if anything happens.
And tonight's NBA game between the Charlotte Hornets and the Boston Celtics. At this time, we ask you all to please rise for tonight's rendition of the from Kansas, number 4, Devontae Graham, and from Louisville, number 3, Terry. Charlotte Flowers on number 10, Caleb Martin, next first team foul. For the Celtics, number 99, Taco Paul into the game.
It's bad if it goes off while you walk through. What did you bring in? Hoping they catch the COVID in there. There's your buddy. What a low crowd of people, huh? There you go. Hold on to it. There you go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.